Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add customer comment box in each product on Shopify. If you are looking easy and fast guideline, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to open a single product page. Okay, and I wanted to add custom comment box right here. So to do this, I'm going to follow my article that I have published on bestfreeshopifytheme.com, how to add customer custom comment box in each product in Shopify. And here is the step-by-step guideline that I'm going to follow right now. Here is my Shopify admin panel and I am going to click on the online store. Then click on the action button, click on the edit code, and here I'm going to create a new template. So I'm going to open template folder. So click on it, click on the add a new template, then select product from here, product liquid, and file name product customizable.liquid, and click on the create template button. Now go back on my article and reflex this line. Just going to copy and control find. Here is the line. I have to reflex this line with this line, product customizable template. Okay, then click on the save. Now I'm going to my article and in the section directory I have to create a new section file and my file name will be product customizable template. So I'm going to copy this line or file name, then open section folder, create a click on the add a new section, and here is my file name product customizable template, create section button, product customizable template file. Then I have to delete all the code from here. Okay, I have deleted all the code from here and keep it blank. Now going to open product template file under the section folder. So click on this file. Okay, I have opened this file and copy all the code from here and paste in our product customizable template liquid file. Then click on the save. Now we have to create our custom field. So to create custom field, we are going to use Shopify UI template generator tools to easily generate the HTML and liquid code for each from field that you want to add. So here is the Shopify UI element generator. I am going to create a new custom field, text short, text long, radio button, drop down checkbox, a lot of option here. So I'm going to select text long and field name your comment, for example. No need to make it required, just your comment, and here the some drama content. Here the code that I have to copy, so I'm going to click on the copy to clipboard and go to my admin panel again. Okay, I have created my UI code here and now I have to add this code in the product customizable template liquid. Here is the product customizable template liquid and I have to find code type submit this text. So I'm going to copy this text and find search here, submit right here, make a space and going to copy this code and add this code here. Click on the save. We have created our custom field. Now we have to select this template from the customization section. So to apply a template to a product, I have to go to product and all template. So here is my admin panel and click on the product, then here all product, and under the all product I'm going to open this product as I show you this product as example, and here I'm going to select product template customizable, click on the save, refresh my browser. Wow, we can see our comment box here. We have done. Thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.